This is my River 3 Plus Max because it has the EB600 extra battery. Now we know that the EB600 only just has one USB-C port that's rated for 140 watts output if you use it standalone. And so I thought that would be handy if we could kind of get 12 volts out of it, because you could start using 12 volts appliances. So what I am going to show you is a little device, well not this device, but this device here called a USB-C PD Decoy. And these dip switches allow you to switch between 5, 9, 12, 15 and 20 volts. So I've turned switches 1 and 2 on, which activates a constant 12 volts. Now I think this is only rated up for 3 amps. So it's only for very light stuff. And this is running through a cable with a fuse to a cigarette socket. And it works. So these 12 volt USB adapters, they work because they don't use that much power. But you can't run something like this. It would have been nice, but at 12 volts, the EB600 can't push out enough current to get this to work. So unfortunately, you can't kind of get an AC connection out of it, because you need 20 volts out of the EB600 to get any decent wattage out of it, which obviously this cannot take because it's only got 12 volts. But yeah, that's a crude way to get 12 volts out of the EB600 battery. So I've got it plugged into my phone here at the quick charge port, and we'll be able to see that I'm drawing. Let's reset this. We are drawing 0.72 amps. Obviously that's 12 volts, but I'm not putting 12 volts to my iPhone because this device converts it back to 5 volts. There we go. That's a way to use 12 volt appliances on your EB600 USB-C output port.